Now let us develop a Turing machine for A power 2n and B power n. Let us consider just for an example n is equal to 2. Then there would be 4 a's and 2 b's followed by blank spaces. Now in our problem, let us convert a as x and b as y. So the final state we will be reaching is 4 x's and 2 y's as per the problem here. So we are converting all a's as x and all b's as y. The concept here is that for every 2 a's converted as x, we have to convert 1 b as y. So first we are in the state q0. We will convert first a as x and move to the right. Then we will be converting the second a as x and moving to the right. The state we will be reaching is like this: x, x, a, 2 b's and 1 blank spaces followed by blank spaces. So we have converted 2 a's as x. Now we have to convert this b as y. So we are in the state q2. We will keep all the a's that we come across as such and move to the right, which is indicated as like this. And on reaching b, we will convert it into y and move to the left. We are converting it into y and moving to the left, and we will reach the q3. And now our word will be like this: x, x, a, y, b, b. So for 2 x's, we have converted 1 b as y. On moving to the left, we can come across as many a's. So we have to move to the left till we reach a x. So we are moving to the left, and again we have come across an a, and again we move to the left and we have reached an x. On reaching x, we have to convert x as x and move it to the right. On keeping x as such, and when we move to the right, we come across a, and this a is converted as x and we move to the right, and we repeat the whole process like the same as such on the first one. Now on moving to the right, we can come across y's. So we can keep y as such and move to the right, and when we come across b, we convert the b as y and move to the left. On moving to the left, we can come across y's. So we keep y's as such and move to the left. Now our word will be like this. Here all the a's and all the b's are converted to y's and x. Now there might arise a question that how does the Turing machine would know that all the a's and all the b's are converted to x and y? It's simple. When after x a y is followed, if a x is followed by a y, then all the a's and b's are converted to x and y. So on moving to the right, if y occurs, then the Turing machine knows that all the x and all the a's and b's are converted to x and y, and just we skip the steps. That is, we just keep the letters as such and we move to the right till we reach a blank space. On reaching a blank space, we move to the right and we reach a final state, accepted state. Now let us see the working. First it is here. Now we will be converting the first a as x and we will move to the right. Then again we will convert the second a as x and move to the right. Now we can come across as many a's as possible. We will just skip it and move to the right. On coming across b, we convert it into y and move to the left. On moving to the left, we can come across as many a's as possible. We just skip it and move to the left. On coming across x, we just skip it and move to the right, and now we come across a. This a is converted into x and we move to the right, and again we convert the second a as x and move to the right, and now we have to convert a b to y. Now we can come across y's, so we just keep it as such and move to the right. On coming across b, we convert it into y and move to the left, and we can come across as many y's as possible. We just skip it. On coming across x, we keep it as such and move to the right. On coming across y, we now the Turing machine would determine that all the a's and b's are converted into x and y, and we just skip it. And on coming across blank, we move to the right and stop. That is, we go to the accepted state.